Everybody knows how to count, from the simple 1, 2, 3 up to the intricate limits of infinity. But dancers have a universal language of counting. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again and again, it begins. Again and again, we begin. But these numbers all have their sole meaning. 5 maximum hours of sleep. 6 more workloads to handle. 7 days of practice in a week. 8 pesos left in our pocket. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, begin.
Hold up.
How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure, but you know I'm not the same.
What's up?
Walang kada-ay may kada-side hantod karon. Hindi na mag-sure namin.
So ngayon, maraming struggles. So we'll figure it out after the meeting. So ayun guys, we've finalized our concept. So see you this Ignite. Let's go! Rainbow colors. Yo, it's day 7 and I think this is the official start sa bagong concept namin. Laban lang. Like 3 weeks na lang.
3 weeks, start from scratch.
Yeah. So, sana ma-pull off namin.
Kaya nun.
You had no one else. Is this how you repay me?
Oh my! Sige, go.
Everybody knows how to count. Everybody knows how to count.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Again and again, it begins.
Again and again, we begin.
Ewan ko sa inyo!
Kumain, di ba kaya?
We already gave in. I'm so alive.
Yo, what's up? So, mapatahi ni...
Oh my God! Hindi ko po kinaya. Nahulog ang cellphone ni Alexa.
So guys,
Oh my God!
nahulog yung cellphone ni Alexa.
In between what I want and what you need, I've been caught, baby, yeah. Yeah, I've been caught, acting like I don't care what you want. I've been
Our
caught.
dance is dedicated to all of the dancers out there. So bali, it's like our story. So we want them to know how the struggles of being a dancer. Yung practices, yung sa school, sa academics, and yung sa parents din pala. Yung parang hindi pa supportive yung parents. But in the end, we survive it, and this is for them. This is for all the dancers out there. And like, para malaman din ng ibang tao yung paghihirap namin. Hey guys, so malapit na yung competition and still got a long way to go. Maraming priorities na yung mga responsibilities na naapektuhan because of this routine. This serves as a voice to all dancers out there na our voices needed to be heard. I just hope that these emotions we have, it will reach to you guys, and whatever the results may be, we'll accept it as long as we're happy what are we doing and we expressed ourselves as dancers and what we feel for the past years. So 5 days left. Naman na ba ta sa to sayaw? Wala pa!
We are dancers.
Yo, what's up? So we have our costume and it's like 2 days left. See you guys. We're ready. Yo, what's up?
Competition day!
So this is it. We're gonna compete later on. I'm excited. Sana sila din. Good luck to all of us. Say hi to all of your fans. Oh, hi! Here we go. Hi! Hello.
Nandito naman ako sa vlog. Hi, sir!
Let's go! Go, Mars! Ano sabi mo? Let's go this man! What's up, guys? So, nakatapos na namin magsayaw. And although may mga factors like nakadisturb sa aming sayaw, like the floor and all, but still, I know ginawa namin yung best namin. And that's the important part.
That drives us to become someone bigger than ourselves. If only people were made to understand. We are not just dancers, we are dancers.
Yo! So that was a fun experience, and grabe yung sacrifices namin for that specific dance. And congrats to all dancers, to all other clusters. Man, grabe. We all did good, actually.